Hi everyone, it's Peter Zellum's Griniflix Adventurate and welcome to another video. Today we're talking about portable battery devices that can jumpstart your car. This is important for anyone traveling, and it's so easy just to leave your lights on, for example, and your battery goes flat. That's really inconvenient. Is there a quick solution? And here it is. It's a battery. It's a battery, a portable battery that you can actually, that has enough charge there to charge up devices like camera gear and computers. But also, more importantly, or just as importantly, it can actually start your car by connecting these terminals to your battery and jump starting it when your battery goes flat because of whatever reason. That can be really useful. So this is an unboxing. I will test this and just see how practical this is, how convenient it is to store, and just let's see what is in this package. So there you go. It's called the JS80 iTechWorld. Just in case you didn't know, I am an affiliate of iTechWorld. Now, the important thing about that is that there is a benefit to you as well as a benefit to me. If there is stuff on their website that is useful to you, they specialize in all sorts of lithium power stations and accessories like portable solar panels and chargers and all the other bits and pieces that you need when you're on the road and you need portable power. And this is one of those units. So, okay, so it's called the JS80 Jump Starter. And this particular, they come in numerous sizes. This particular one is good for vehicles up to 10-litre petrol motors or up to 8-litre diesel motors. I wanted one specifically for my Toyota Land Cruiser, which is a 4.5 litre V8 motor. Oh yes. Back to affiliate program. What the affiliate program means that if you find something on the iTech website that is of interest to you and useful, and at the time of checkout there is a section where you can put in a discount code. If you put in the Adventurate discount code, you will get a discount in addition to whatever discounts are running on the website. Alright, so let's have a look at what's in here. Okay, what else does it say here? It says up to 40 jump starts that it could do, fully charged, from fully charged. What else does it say? Compatible with, I've mentioned the engines. It's good to run devices such as fridges, lights, TVs, phones, tablets, CPAP machines, so those people that are having difficulty breathing, not getting enough oxygen at night, they need CPAP machines, so this could be good for that as well. Alright, let's open it up and let's see what's in here. So that sleeve is there, and just a matter of opening that up like that. All very nice packaging. We'll take that off, and there you go, there's the unit. It's really quite impressive. I guess like a reasonable size brick, about the same weight as a brick, maybe a bit lighter. And then we've got these high powered cables. I think there's a bit of packaging there, so there you go. So that goes onto battery terminals. And then that connects up also. We've got another box here. Let's have a look what's in there. Okay, alright, so where does that connect? There are a number of connections here in orange, and these are covers, so I guess just to make it a bit more weatherproof. And there's a connection there, so as long as you just match up these two, it can only fit in one way. because of the little slot in there. So that's good. How these are used we'll find out in the next video. This time it's just the unpacking. What I noticed straight away with this is there's only 3 buttons here. That one, and that one. I presume that turns it on. That turns it on. And then when you turn it on, it tells you what the battery level is. I think when it's shipped with about 50% battery level. I did charge this one up, so it's up to 100% already. And then that button there is for doing your charging, the jump starting, which I won't be doing right now. There is a light also, that one there. If I press and hold, that comes on. Press and hold, and it goes off. Right, that's it. It's all very straightforward. Now, what's in the packaging here? Okay, we've got instructions. We've got a cable that looks like a USB-C cable. We've also got a car power point. So if you've got something that can be charged off they can plug into your car, well then you can plug it into this. That just goes in this one here. Yeah, that one there. Okay, it goes in there, and then you can plug in your device there to charge whatever you want to charge on 12 volts. So that's your 12 volt outlet from here. Alright, so if you want to charge this unit off your car, then you would plug this into your cigarette lighter, your power source on your car. Plug this into that cable there, and then you can just plug it straight into this unit here, and that's how you would charge up the device as well. You've got a choice of actually charging this with 240 volts as well, and that's what that device is there. So instead of using the car one, you would just use the 240 volts, plug it into the wall, and that's how you charge it up. Okay, anything else in here? Yep, there is. And there's a little synthetic felt bag for which this can all reside in. Let's see how convenient that is. Is it big enough? Okay, and then pull up the cord, tie it off, and voila, all contained in one soft bag, which is good because then that can be stuffed anywhere in your car, which is really convenient. Alright, so I think it's good for adventure photographers because inevitably you're out there traveling somewhere, and it's so easy to leave your lights on. Alright, well, looking forward to actually testing this. I might just test it by intentionally leaving my lights on my four-wheel drive and see how long they are left on before I have a completely flat battery, and see whether we can charge a big V8 diesel with this unit. So that will be in the next video, or one of the next videos. Thanks for watching. If it's the first time to my channel, then do subscribe, press notifications, you'll be notified when the next video is out. If you like the video, if this is useful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to take advantage of the affiliate link, then just go to iTechWorld.com.au for their website. Find what you like online, use a shopping cart. At the end there's a discount code, just put in Adventure 8 and you'll get a further discount. Thanks for watching, see you on the next video. Cheers, bye.